What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. For those who are new here, hello and welcome. And for all of my returning subscribers, hey girl. So today we are diving into my meal planner. This week is going to be a little bit different because I actually have not done all my prep work to like fully fill everything out. So today we are simply going to be decorating this. On Sunday I will be doing a cookie night where we just bake up a ton of different type of cookies with my best friend and my kids and my nieces and my other little cousins and things. So I wanted to do something that was a little bit more festive. I have the Merry and Bright book planned out or pulled out, and I'm thinking I want to go with this theme with the hot cocoa. I just think that it will be hella cute. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so definitely want to lay down box over here. And as far as like the days that I typically cook, I will just put, you know, little boxes for that. But I'm feeling like, yeah, there's some of this washi in here that I can use. Down here at the bottom, and use this one over here. Like that. Very cute. All right, let's use this for Sunday. So I'm gonna lay this down here. That. And maybe do this guy over here. I'll use this pink box here. Like that. I like this little guy here. Just gonna put that there, even though it's not necessarily like a Friendsmas, something like that. This Thursday and then Tuesday. All right, so now let's pull in some decorative things. Last year for cookie night, I did like a whole like hot cocoa charcuterie situation, and I'm feeling like I'm gonna do that again just because it was hella cute. I have some of these guys. I feel like I need to put something down here just to cover this space up. So maybe let's use this guy, and I'm gonna trim a bit of the white off the bottom just so it doesn't look like it's floating in thin air. Let's use a couple of them. There's that guy. And this one. Why not? Do the same thing. Very cute. All right, so we got our boxes for dinner. Got a little box here, feeling like, what's like clear boxes maybe? This guy says a jingle and mingle. Maybe drop this down here. All right, so we're gonna use this guy. Maybe over here. Because I definitely need to run like an inventory of all of the things that I may need to pick up. So yeah, let's put that down over here. I feel like I'm missing some things towards the top. I told you guys before that I'm just using the breakfast area just to log what it is that I have been eating. And I'll continue to do that. So I really don't want to fill up too much of the space up there. Oh, see, there was this big mug here that I probably could have used right here. So stinking cute. Just says holiday weekend fun. Alrighty. Just going to put 3 little arrows here for some new ingredients that we want to do, and maybe I will show you guys, well, you guys will see in the vlog what the vibe is. All right, and just to tie everything together, I feel like I want to pop in some of this washi as well. All right, you guys, here is what the completed spread looks like. I know we usually put in what it is that I plan to cook and everything for the week, but like I said, I'm keeping this video really simple. I just wanted to hurry up and get this laid and spread for you guys, and I will go back and fill everything back in. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please make sure that you hit this with a thumbs up. If you like my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification next to it. That way you are notified every time I release a new video. And I just realized I didn't trim this. Yeah. There we go. My gosh. I'm rushing, child. Again, I thank you all so much for stopping by. I wish you all health, wealth, and prosperity. And until the next video, peace out.